Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock reference number 7435. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2021. It has a 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right tailgate garnish, right tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front factory alloy with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. Owner's manuals, center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel.